You have no reason to fear when it comes to grilling a whole chicken this Christmas because I've got you covered. Joy givers, this is a very detailed video on how to grill a whole chicken for Christmas and have it juicy and delicious to the last bone. First, we're going to start with a brine. This typically helps to keep your chicken or turkey moist and juicy even after grilling. Into a large bowl of water, you're going to add in some ginger, some garlic, your smoked paprika, and salt. Going with lemon and orange slices. You could also add fresh thyme and rosemary if you have that, and soak your chicken in that mixture at least overnight in the refrigerator. Now take it out the next morning, and what you want to do is strain the chicken of any excess liquid and then pat it dry. This will ensure that your spices and herbs that you're going to apply on the chicken gets really inside of it. The first thing I'm going to do is to apply my dry rub into the cavity of my chicken. My dry rub contains some suya spice, some white pepper, some chicken bouillon, some garlic powder, onion powder, and of course some smoked paprika. I would leave all of that and their measurements in the description box, so do check it out. Now, the next thing you want to do is to lift up the skin of the chicken and apply the dry rub as well, as you want a super flavorful and juicy chicken on the inside and outside. Then you go ahead and apply the same dry rub onto every part of the chicken outside and ensure to actually massage this into every nook and cranny of your chicken. Trust me, your chicken is going to come out absolutely delicious. You know how you bite into chicken sometimes and the outer part is really flavorful and sweet and delicious, and then the inner part just feels like it was left out. You're not going to have that to worry about with this chicken. Once you've applied your dry rub, you're going to lock up the cavity with some veggies and herbs. I'm using some onions, red onions, and I'm using some carrots. I'm also going to be adding some spring onions. You can add lemon, you can add fresh thyme or fresh rosemary. You can actually add any herbs that you actually love and enjoy. Then you want to tie up the legs of the chicken just to ensure that everything is nicely, tied up together and nothing gets burned while you are grilling. Now, here is the trick. When you want to grill your chicken, you want to start with 200 degrees for the first 20 to 25 minutes and then increase that to about 220 degrees for the last 20 minutes of cooking. This will ensure that your chicken cooks all the way through. The skin is absolutely crispy and delicious, and the chicken keeps its moisture. It is still delicious on the inside and absolutely moist the entire time. Another tip would be to ensure that you mix the dry rub with a bit of vegetable oil and then just baste that on the chicken once it comes out of the oven and it is still hot. Trust me, this is going to keep that moisture locked in and your chicken flavorful. Just look at all that juice that is coming out. It is so delicious, and I hope you try this out this Christmas. Do let me know in the comment section what other recipes you would love to see on this channel this Christmas, because I have got you covered. Do well to subscribe and follow me for more videos on all of my social media platforms. See you guys in my next Christmas video. Bye.